Step 1. Tell iPi the detail of what you want. Then, you get your answer. Step 2. Check the answer if right. Step 3. Go to play. Well done iPi, I love this UI. Smooth and cute, like candy.